Are you supposed to be feeding the dog? Grayson, are you supposed to be feeding the dog? Don't feed Bella. Do you see how fat she is? She's on a diet. Grayson. Grayson. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Hey, come here. Do we feed the doggy?
Mommy, we see.
Do we feed the doggy?
We see.
Answer my question. Do we feed the doggy?
We see.
You're about to fall on Bella. Look, she's waiting for your crumbs. Don't feed the dog. Okay? No. No. Get the popcorn out of your nose. Don't stick popcorn in your nose. No.